Open your bank statement. $9 here. $20 there. $49 for a tool one person opens twice a month. A quiet permanent tax on getting work done. You are paying every month to schedule a call, backup photos, sign a document, draw a diagram. Almost every one of those tools has a free twin on GitHub. Not a knockoff software with 100,000 stars that companies run in production. 10 repositories. Nearly 800,000 stars. You host it yourself. Set it up once and you own it. Number 10. Documenso replaces DocuSign. Real signatures, a full audit trail, no per seat fee. Number 9. Cal.com replaces Calendly. The same booking page on your own domain. Number 8. PostHog replaces Amplitude. Analytics, session replay, feature flags, without billing you per event. Number 7. Penpot replaces Figma. Design a component, get real code. No plugin, no paywall. Number 6. NocoDB replaces Airtable. The same grid on your own postgres. Number 5. Coolify replaces Vercel. Push to deploy on a server you own. Number 4. Excalibur replaces Miro. 126,000 stars. Instant whiteboard in the browser. Number 3. Supabase replaces Firebase. Real postgres you can export and walk away with. Number 2. N8N replaces Zapier. 10,000 workflows cost the same as 10 because you pay for a server, not every step. Number 1. Immich replaces Google Photos. Over 100,000 stars. Your camera roll on your hardware. And 10 was not enough. Plausible. AppFlowy. ListMonk. Dup. Ultima. The list keeps going. Free is not free. It moves the cost into time. Servers, updates, backups, 2 AM fixes. If you have no server and zero patience for maintenance, pay and do not feel bad about it. Replace just 5 of these and you can save thousands a year. 10 repositories. Nearly 800,000 stars. The best tools in 2026 are not for sale. They are one Git clone away from being yours.